Welcome back to Tugger TV and no for when we suppose, but we're line up something, you see, for the Valentine's Day. We're line up something, but the movie, it did finish one good time now, but you know get to finish, but you just have to see it. So just watch it and enjoy yourself. You just have to go something to watch. You understand? But we are line up something for Valentine's Day. We're not rush them, we just take the time. But this they do for a long time, so I'm just a unit to go and watch. Bless up on yourself.
One. Come on, say my sperm have fire in man. That fire like a gun in man.
No sperm in here.
So we have to try check out something earlier man. Because I know say yo, me have fire in man.
Me, you don't have no sperm in here.
Me have sperm
every
chip
day,
glasses.
see there, every day that you sit down and drink. What you expect to breathe me?
Because you stress me out.
What?
How long me I try to get the youth, man, I can't get no you drink and for the smoke.
So the more you drink, the more you burn out in something that left in you. You're not feed your body good, you're not take care of yourself.
When I born and come back earth, just see them use a rum spirit. So I drink give me spirit and I have the spirit now you. I'm far more now you man.
If from the spirit would have been 60 times already, can be sure me no barren. So I don't know where you are coming right now.
Something wrong man.
So I something wrong with you.
Yeah, me have to check.
Are you a problem?
You have to check out.
Me not got no doctor cause me sure. Me know say I know me are the problem. Me sure of that. Here? So me know where you are come out.
Alright, hold on then. The pill let me see in your back like how can I pill them then?
Sinus.
You know sinus pill and a pill that different color pill them then.
Those are sinus
No,
pills.
sir.
Cause me not depend on my medication to take things to make me breathe. Honestly, cause me don't want to have one right now. Me don't have no pitney, you know.
You go try look more night bed. If you don't walk look more night bed, look more doctor morning.
Me not try to come over with you cause me know if you fuck it a go weak. You know make no sense. You know say that a burn out your system. You're blind?
One up with system.
Every day I come here and nonsense and I can't bother with you right now. Don't bother to stress me out. Every day pitney.
I want a youth before me dead, before me die.
Let me answer one question. 1 minute can make pitney.
1 minute.
And that's how long your time take every day you depart a beer rum you're drinking.
It take a second to get one picnic tree, you know.
And your sperm cells they're weak. I mean I got no doctor. So that's the final step. Done with you.
We all see about it. Don't worry yourself.
That's
Everything.
where I'm in the night.
Everything. Don't come and tell me about my little party here, yo. You didn't even know me afraid, you know. Come on, not do me, you know. The problem, sit down here. Yeah, part of thing go on about you now.
So, I don't know if I'm on the road. Not clear my brain. Every day you come here, oh baby, and you can't breathe me.
Oh, yeah, that's what
Me I go road. You know me if you ask me that. Stop drinking rum and build up your body and then you can have all about breathe.
I'm gonna be there, bye.
Baby, sprill.
Eh? You wanna play with me, you know?
I go about my business, alright.
Alright. Why don't I pill and see? Let me test this out, come around and see if nothing can come out tight.
Girl, I'm tired. It's never stop better so. Girl, want to say something to you, girl.
So that no.
When you gonna
Yeah,
start it, man?
Why am I fi start it, man?
Girl, I'm a man, girl. Man, a big house.
Everything, Pinky. Why a man you want me start take?
Because then if you start it, man, too.
When me gonna benefit from, man?
Money, car, land, food, water for wash up. You don't get so? You know them thing there?
My father have them. I just carrying though have a land. A people property we catch pan.
That's why you need to have a man, girl. You need to have a man. You know, so me get money for go to school. At 25,000, I go to school with it now.
So how much you have now?
I have my money.
So what you do with it?
Don't worry about that. We are going to party later, you come?
No, me not come and come broke me house.
You're boring, you know?
And you're boring, it's called.
You need to have a man. You need to have a
Good evening.
Evelyn.
Oh, she has a tear, she not still nothing wrong, you know.
Alright. So you need to have a man. Now tell us have a man. We have big house. We have car, BMW, 2025 one. Yeah, tell you him have water, baby, him give
And they
water.
can help you with the school fee and them look something.
Yes.
There.
So
who
me
does
tell
them
you
want help with
25,000 me get to go to school.
Come on, man. Me know say you're probably just too young. You know, go in your head. You say, no, me can't have a boyfriend, this, that, right.
Girl,
But
come
one
out
man
and
and the
pick
man
this
can't
place,
help
girl.
you
Come
out
out
and you
and
can't
pick
help
this
out your
place.
You hear
parents.
your son?
How?
Me have a strong feeling say the flow get to your head. Cause no big woman now go encourage no schoolers to take man.
Oh, Jesus.
You have Pitney?
At the end of the day,
No, you have Pitney?
wait there.
That no concern you, she have picnic, she tell the right thing, me I tell her the right thing too.
Girl, if you listen, sometimes you're too stubborn. You
You
understand?
think your father got it there all the time for you, girl?
Mm-hmm. And all the time that
What
he's
if
gonna
one
be
day your
there.
father, what if one day your father pass away, eh? Who gonna take care of you?
Me go deliver for him insurance.
You have money? Okay, think of that.
Think about that. They can't help
Where
out
you
your
see man
daddy.
there for me take? The man them always
Hold
them
on,
live
just
up
hold on.
here.
Calm down now. What if your father will fall sick?
I want
Come
white
down
man,
and
me I
help
talk to you, you know, girl. White man.
No, you talk white man better, but me think I look dirty school boy them here.
No, just man, a big man can't be to just a man up in an age. You know, them way they we help
White
you
man me
out.
have right now, girl. Him live right up the road, him live.
Anyways, me like your vibe. Me like no vibes. You see me? We can have a little spunk too, no?
Me like
And
your pencil, girl.
yeah, what your name?
Yeah, that must like our vibe. Just see you, your love friend.
No,
and
don't shoot
don't
me.
shoot me that.
Calm
Don't
down.
shoot
No
me,
need.
don't do that.
What we fighting for? This don't make no sense. She not telling nothing wrong. Me not telling nothing
Come out
wrong.
to a fitness stage and go there with a man we can mind you, can
Eh.
give you water and everything. So if your father pass away, and I go get nothing.
Worse, you know what too? Where you're talented in a girl. You don't know if you dance and do something there.
Go show her piece. I'm sure your piece.
Yeah, give me peace. Yeah,
Show her piece to
You
now.
can't do it. Me handicapped.
I'll leave something there. You just open in your shell. No, come on.
Anyways, me have come
make
got
you
my
me number.
yard.
Hold
That's
on,
where my
hold on,
father
hold
beat
on.
me.
Tap about daddy a beat. Then I
me back
beat
you,
you.
girl. Me back you.
I'm gonna beat you for. Anyways, you know how WhatsApp and them could something there, don't you?
Yeah, me have phone.
You have a phone?
Yes, me have a phone, but my father search it.
Everything up father. Father this, father that. Father this, father that.
Me and your
Girl.
friend, so we are talking about it's not nothing
Yes,
hard.
me have a phone. Where you want?
Give me your number. My number. So we can link you up on WhatsApp.
Everything, daddy this, daddy that, daddy this, daddy never knows what.
Give me for you.
Yes, me. See it.
Or yourself, mom.
Don't promise so.
You cut me head him.
Don't promise so.
Sometimes
Go on.
because of aggression too, you know. I can't
But you
aggression.
need to have little sense. Now
no,
let us talk to her.
Anyways,
No, come go and come take a little time come for come on like no ham tune, you know, because you're a pretty girl.
so
too,
where
you know,
you
man.
live?
Down your road there.
So if
So me can't walk with her go down the road because I'm here that you know.
No, you're straight about now, you know. Come go on home. No go home.
So where you name?
Alien.
Alright.
Nice to meet you, Ariane.
What's yours?
I'm Shanice.
Shanice.
Yeah.
You're pretty Shanice.
Yeah, same to you.
Alright, later.
Bye. Good evening, Daddy.
Evening, daddy, no? Evening, what time now?
At 6:30.
How much time school over?
2:30.
So where you are come from?
School.
Look for me, good if me look like me at a class. Me, I work too hard to send you go to school to get education. Me not send you go to
So where
school.
me I come from?
No school not have no picnic until 6:30.
Me never tell you say it have me till 6:30. Me tell you say it over 2:30.
Right, so why the hell
The
you
most hard forget.
look a girl, no ramp with me, you know? No ramp with me.
Me nah ramp, Daddy.
Cause nobody now care no belly come in here. Nobody now come in here with no disease. Nobody now come in here with no sick. Me not like it. What me tell you go to school to get?
Education.
And how much subject me tell you to come out with?
7.
15.
I said
15 subject. 15. No follow nobody come up with no 7 or no 4 or no 5. Come up with 15. We want you to be the next prime minister. So we can say, yeah, the daughter of prime minister, so me the vice prime minister.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
When
Yeah, alright, anything I say. You know, cook.
we just go buy 1 pound of flour.
Pound of flour. Me tired for tell us if it top cook for 2 hours alone. Cook for pass by. I'm told me sleep and wake.
No, listen to me. No sleep and wait no there, so. This is sleep and no get up consuming no food. You see when you cook, you're supposed to done it. You're not supposed to left overnight. You don't believe in that.
From morning you wash.
I thank God you're glad say from man me I watch the amount of jars that we see in one basket.
I know my.
I never know say you wear so much panty. Eh? One of them full of muck. For a little girl. Tap dance on road, tap dance over a place, you are full of too much grease.
You don't talk.
Yeah, we don't talk. Go and take off your uniform and come back to me.
And come back to you.
Say they're gonna shop, go buy 1 pound of chicken back. Come.
Girl, I go on.
Nuh-uh.
Me did the clever way paying, but you did tell me say you didn't come up, me did think you that change your mind and come out, you didn't come.
It's like you don't understand. You see, look a mad, big head, nonsense man over there. Sometimes my head go. He just hold me and beat me with the cutlass. I mean, one day when my beat me, cut off my head.
But you don't understand, you're too young and fool.
Let me see how young and fool.
You have to start the road now. If you don't do road now, when you go do road? When you're old?
When me reach the age of consent.
Hello? The age of consent start from your 12.
No, at 16.
Am I like that? From your 12.
Well, you're laughing you. Me not have a
Michael.
problem if you want to go club, you go. So where you go now?
Are you? Me say me a coach over here, but me catch up on the road. Listen to me. Yes.
I don't think you can come in my yard dress so. You see how me drop for dress?
Are you a problem that? You put it by my clothes there? She know hard, she know how hard work for my clothes there. You got to want my clothes.
Alright, me not have a friend coming now, but can't say me name tell us to
Can't
come.
believe, girl.
Come.
You really not come on our club? It hurt me, no?
You know, come on.
I will go and party later. One party I keep later. We are going to
Me not go no party and Tuesday they keep on Saturday.
No.
My father share me, I can't say nothing.
What shame man? What that? What happened? What happened?
Hi, good
She
evening.
said she want to come over me yard.
Good evening, young miss.
Good evening.
I,
Here you banana them.
listen me. Which one of banana you talk?
The one in your hand, I could have banana. I don't talk about it because I don't want a dirty banana there.
Can't talk
Anyway.
to you, girl.
Why you and she upon the road? Why you follow back her?
Yeah, when I banana, my sister, she hungry.
Me don't want to because I'm not hungry. I see the banana.
Yeah, you banana.
Alright, me give her the banana.
I don't want a banana. The banana sick my stomach as my body.
Me say I got something right?
Yes.
Mama, don't beat up my body. Don't beat up my body. Don't do that.
Kayla.
No pinky me always see with.
Yeah, but me
Then
can't
I'll
find
take her
Pinky.
Pinky, I want bad influence enough. Don't make she pirate Pinky. Me tell you the truth. Pinky is not a good friend.
When me see bad influence, me see bad influence.
I ain't see bad Pinky.
Anyhow, me don't know how your mama and papa make you live out of house. In a them.
Around with me.
Yeah, how much?
Me have 14 around with me clothes.
Yeah, exactly. Look how my daughter dress.
My father and my mother don't have no money like that, so me have to wear what they can buy. That's true, them are cheap, you know, that's why.
Listen to me, big clothes cheap.
No?
How much do I pay for this?
A second hand.
Right. How much she bottom part?
Let me buy it.
Okay, we get it from charity.
Well, my clothes are not second hand. So, you know, it very expensive.
So you say your people them poor.
Sometimes I don't want to put my business. I put up all the clothes that I want to wear, nothing
I'm
wrong
going
with
to
it.
teach you something you're going to learn. You see, enter you see people like them, I dress up like this. You got some all that,
Yes, all that.
check them background.
Check my background.
Beat up my body.
My mother is a Christian.
Are you dressed so?
Yes, and if I'm me a Christian, it's my mother, not me. My mother
Some
Christian, me a
Christian,
Christian.
so me can't dress so. Yeah. Me say me hungry if you cook done.
Oh. Come on, sir. Come on. Come on, let me out. Come on, let me out. Why let me out? Come on, let me out. See, next time, you bring nobody coming to me here just like that.
What you gonna do?
And only the banana skin me go fling this time. You see the piece you have underneath the bed, we leave a tissue them in it.
Dig one pit so you can put it inside bathroom so we won't have no piece underneath no bed.
Yes, today.
Yo, oi.
Give me
Look for this. Doctor me I come from. Miss Sperm count high. Like a green arm. You know green arm high? I saw the sperm count high. You come and tell me about rum, I should know, man. You come and tell me about rum. I rum make kiss a high. Yeah, me for wonder what go on.
Me sure say me can breathe.
Sure say you can breathe?
Yes, me sure say me can breathe. So you are the problem. You are the problem. You cannot breathe me.
I for wonder sometimes if it's a transmission or something. What I mean by you can't breathe? You can't breathe, the doctor me I come
Where
from.
is transmission?
Mean, you're born as a man or something? So you can't breathe.
So I said if me did born as a man, you don't think say you don't know that?
Transmission, I know transmission.
Listen to me, no, but you come to me with that. I try put blame on me, no.
Blame for who?
Yes, you try to put blame on me, say I'm here the problem. Which are you are the problem, good as all fraud this.
Fraud what?
A
I said
fraud.
well want fraud sitting.
You can't breed me, and that's I'm sure you
Sure,
cannot
yo,
breed
come-
me.
come
Me
let's
see
just-
me period, me see everything.
Oh,
so
and
me
everybody
can't
say period
breed.
can't breathe, you know.
Me can't, me sure of myself. Remember, me can't put my head on the block.
Put head pan
Me
black.
know
Put it on
say
the
me
block
can't
right now.
breed. Me can't breed.
Put the head pan the black. Me go for 1 second.
I have
Right now.
problem. Yeah,
Me
drop
no
shot.
problem.
You
Doctor me a
yeah,
come
drop
from.
shot.
You see, as I wake up bright and early, 6 o'clock, let me 6 o'clock pass. We are got a doctor.
Why
You see,
you?
me and you.
Why you?
Me and
You don't
you.
need to go there, cause me know
What?
if your facts say, me can't breed.
You know, say if you look, it's my type of man there, though.
Yeah.
You can't touch up in
All that
look, he cross the head right now.
that deal with them. Did blind.
Blind
He
way.
have on glasses. I'm
No.
on wear glasses.
Hey, man, you play with me, my money.
I
I spend my
could never
money.
see.
So I love waste money.
He
I run
must-
waste my money for the doctor.
Right, rum
The
not tap
doctor,
bun out
when
to your
you got
body.
doctor, is serious.
Rum, everything rum. Rum not tap bun out your body. Go
Yo,
about your business.
right now, give me a paper too.
Bob,
Yeah,
I'm proud that Bob breed nobody. You can
Ramp with me, no, yo.
You drop shot, no.
Stop shot, now you ramp with me. No.
Right out that we need to look 1 minute. Shanice. Evelyn. Yeah, man, your friend. Yeah, Tickers. You can do me a favor. You remember last place where we did meet up? Link me up there, please. Yeah. May I have something more to offer you. Alright. But turn up on me, I wait for you. Alright. Shanice,
Yeah.
you man me call. What should I do here?
So you said meet you at the spot. Me think I tour with it for come when you
If
call
me
me.
did want it Tuano, me da call it Tuano.
Me never know.
You couldn't. Not say me have an issue with you no mum. But me just do
So
want
when you want to
discuss.
come with her?
Something private me do want discuss with her.
So yeah, we can go inside, go talk if you want.
No, you know. Me no make no sense. Me go round it. Anyways, I want offer me have for you.
Money half a we?
We,
Yeah, we.
a Shanice me call. Anyways, actually money for true though.
How much money?
800,000. Yeah. But what me need if it do, I'm not sure if you go and do it.
I want me have to do so.
Just listen to Shanice. Have an open mind.
Open mind.
Me a try.
Girl.
Me a
You don't tell me nothing, you know. You don't tell me nothing.
Shanice, hold on. Remember, say you have school, you have your
Exactly.
father, and your father not have
Take
no
your money
money
now,
to that,
girl.
and
Take your
then
money
look
now.
at something like, calm down.
Oh, you're so
Hold on.
jumpy.
Shanice, me try to have a youth for my man. You see me?
So that concerned me.
But it not work out. Yeah,
Then don't have none.
Girl.
what me need from you is more if you get pregnant for my man and have a baby.
My virgin
Wait,
little pum pum.
Call it say I'm Mary girl.
Oi, wait. Oi, take your money and do it.
Come on,
I
Shanice.
suppose me die.
You're not
In the
Yeah,
process.
why you have to put your mind there, so? Put your mind to it.
I dead, my mama dead when he left me, no. After I have me dead.
But Shanice, $800,000, you not have it.
Me no must see the 800,000 life me dead. Don't put your hand pa me.
Shanice have money, you know.
Listen, you
Take
see
the
father
money,
when me
girl.
have, if father when me have a loan, nah.
No sense, you know.
He nah gonna make that alien.
Listen.
He always tell me say no can belly in there.
Yeah, but me know how to deal with
Well, I
your
couldn't me
daddy.
get them off of you,
Listen me.
Jesus. I couldn't me get them off of you. I want to me so salt.
I want to her.
Listen to me, I can't make you bear no youth for me, no, cause
Girl,
you're
take it
too
off,
ghetto,
huh?
you're too loud. You understand? That's why
I'm a
I'm
friend
not
now,
offer your
talk to.
hit. That's why I'm not offer your
Take
hit.
your money.
But Shanice,
Listen
please.
to me. You see father when me have a loan nah make that work alien. When me I go stay
Your
here.
father is not no problem. When you realize, say, you have the youth and you give me the youth and afterwards you get the money and
Him
like
get the
that,
money.
then you're not gonna bring the money to him. You're not gonna say, right now your father would have proud of you, Shanice.
So me fi make my little belly extend. And when that something come out, so shiver left go left for my
So,
belly.
Shanice, me make sure say you're well taken care of.
And
during
take the money,
pregnancy.
give that a man there.
Yeah, go take care of your father. You know love your daddy.
Support me dead.
You're not dead, Shanice. Take your mind out of the...
I dead, my mother dead.
Hold on. Listen now. Me, I want you to calm down and think about it.
No,
Remember
style,
saying you
man.
and your father are struggle.
We not
Just
struggle.
listen now.
Nah,
You and your daddy are struggle
Nah,
right
struggle.
now.
We not struggle,
about
we rich.
Just think about
AC we have.
Shanice, think about it. Me, I keep update with them, I call you. You see me?
Girl.
Later,
think about it.
walk good.
But you could have taken money.
Oh, you're so enough. You have to show the world so you suffer.
You are suffer, no
Me
me
not
are suffer.
you see me look like me a suffer. Me rich.
Suffer, mark on your face.
Me rich.
Mark, you want some of my ice cream?
No, me rich.
Why?
Yo. A time for you lift up now, you know.
Hey, what?
Time for you lift up.
So why
Let me
like
make you
this for?
come. Get up now.
Why problem?
Me tell you, every DV here. My friend my pass. Beep. Girl Chuck is here. Come out. Me the planet again. Me tired eyes
You
now.
want me to tell us
Beep nothing.
we can't
B of the
try.
alphabet after A hour. B.
They just
Well, girl, use plan B. Me no know B over here no
just
more.
understand now.
Understand what?
We can't do this. We can't. We can't do this. We can't do this.
Me can't let it no more.
Ali,
Don't me say. Me give you joke, you know.
B,
Me
alright,
give you
listen,
joke.
just hold on. Calm down, look at it. Please, calm down and listen to me. I try to say.
Where you say? Talk to me fast.
Alright.
You have 5 minutes.
Since
5 seconds.
Just listen now.
4.
Since naturally,
3.
listen to me now.
Talk now, me can talk.
Since naturally, you say now work out between me and you. You see me? If possible, you could have just give me your sperms now and little tube and this, and I'm a doctor and they do an insemination in my stomach.
My sperms. So me can't
Yes.
use. Me can't put it in you myself. But them put it in you myself.
Me now work that
You know, go
way.
with the eye that if me can't do it, me
No,
also hard.
doctor can do it for we.
Me push you as far as if it go till it buck. And me go some and it up there gone, up there in the
Wait,
belly.
you just agree with this. Me, I
Me
beg
not
you.
agree with nothing, right? Me go,
Why?
this one go up and me say one hot pretty brown, me say a she me go try a breed.
Also, just because you find other woman make you keep an head
Fine.
once and now.
I mean,
Eh?
me she breed and get 2 pit, me can breed and give me 3rd one too.
You can't breed nobody naturally be. Just give me alright. Maybe try one last.
Yeah, me must have got after yesterday.
Listen now.
Me got after yesterday.
Listen now. Maybe try
Me say
one.
me got
I
show you
just one
later.
last try. One
I go
last
try
time.
tonight.
No, just
Tonight we are gonna try last night. Tonight.
Yeah,
morning,
but you have to give me
if
a
you get up a
sperm.
morning, give my sperm.
Yeah.
Me not give my, me I'll give it in your belly.
No.
In your home, me gonna
Me
push it
need your
myself.
sperm so can go a doctor
Me
for
know you need
insert
it.
it
No,
in
no,
me.
no, doctor not get it. And if I want
Please
that woman,
no.
I'll give it. I'm
Please,
a baby
I
for
best
9 months.
way. That way you can top worry yourself about baby.
No.
Please no.
I go up the road this morning. I see my friend with female youth. Say youth born yesterday. I see my next friend down in road with a daughter. I say that born today.
And your friend them pick me a jacket. So where you come with? Just
Let's have
listen
a
to
jacket that I'm not getting none at all.
Listen.
Listen, I'm going to take a jacket that I'm getting none. I'm going to call for sitting. I'm going to call for nothing.
Listen, Abby. Just give me your sperm till I want
listen all along now.
Me I want tube in the house. Well, me just need to collect your sperms now. Agree to that now, please.
You have a tube, you must have a tube in there you can put in there myself.
Just agree to that now, B.
Listen, man.
B, please. Just agree to insemination. Can you realize that nothing else now work?
Actually, I love it and I warm and so a bit of cool nowadays. I just show you warm. Yo, I'm going to try to get a chance. I'm going to get a last chance. So you see if it don't work.
It ain't gonna work. I sure
thing. Yeah, I go in a grill potato. In a grill, but I can go through a grill when it come.
A sure thing. Sure thing.
Sure thing.
Yeah, sure thing.
We're gonna try it last. So we're gonna try in the bedroom first tonight.
Alright, come on. We'll start now. Girl, that takes to come, man. Look at the time. At night I come down. I watch it. You still not reach us all now. Sure. Can't bother no brother. What take you so long, Janice?
Me did wash plate. My father did wash some of the pin up your clothes and pan the line.
So you decide whether you're gonna deal with this for me.
I don't call me for.
Then Janice, me no need you. Me did ask you to help me out with the situation. Me ask you, no, Janice, and me no want you to take it serious.
Me say no. Nothing at all can't make me say yes. If I that come from how they come in now.
Janice, what do you mean by no?
No. N-O.
It's not that hard for you just deal with something for me.
Me too young for that.
Janice, please, may I beg you to just deal with.
Hello. Can I see your ID? One if me have the same last name.
So you just walk up to her and ask her for your ID, so I walk on.
Just want to see if me related. Just want to see you.
So why you not think that me and you related of all people?
Yeah, let me see your ID.
Here,
I'll shop me and go, you know.
me ID there. Me not no me not related to you.
So you walk with the ID in your hand?
And my phone back, me just take it out. I always have my ID for me, 24/7.
So yeah, that's so.
Shanice,
I can't find my shop.
Come.
may we talk one next time, may you boo?
Alright.
Or yourself. Every time me call her, every time this little crosses girl have to pop up in a situation. But me not say nothing. Me have to watch Shanice. What's I come and play hard and now, man, you're crazy. I'm want to pick me.
Girl, I go on. There.
I glad I see you. I glad I see you.
Oh, what?
You know, so me I go on club tonight. I don't mind if I come. You know, I come. Remember?
My father now make me go nowhere.
Your father not fi know. Jump through the window.
You don't see where my window be? Apply nail up on the window.
Well, then say go pay auntie and Tom pay auntie. Me I got club tonight and my father and mother just asleep. Me I jump
My
out
father
and
now
go
gonna make me go up on my auntie in the night. Where's tomorrow?
Come now, make we go together. Say what good say what to send left out of the yard.
No girl, me can't do that too.
What you say that yeah? A club, me say no want come a club. Club girl go wind up.
Me can't go where you mean by you.
Girl, I have my vice gang cause last time I got club go mash up party. And you not party?
You live life. Me alright.
All my foot mash up, all my phone, me say my phone mash up, you know. Everything mash up. Me all spread out.
Oh God.
You feel like me there to see when me drink liquor? You feel like me there for
So
cloud
that's
nine? Cause girl me there party, I say, what? father got party.
Anyways, me I go down to my father because if me
You're too fool.
long, he might come look for me to go have a tick. And me can't
You see my man look for me for grab a tick? No, I tell
because
lie.
your parents are not busy, boy. You
No.
see, they let you go careless.
They let me go careless. I show me smarter than you.
Your parents let you go careless. Because you, as a 14-year-old, can go club.
Eh.
Then how you call that?
When them asleep, then have you if see this a girl they jump through window.
That's why them for nail up your window.
Lucky when I want to go club.
And no rules and regulations.
Dirty girl man when I want to go club. You go club again.
Eh? One the picnic, eh? The one to keep me damn pipe lock. Eh? Keep me damn pipe lock. What is that? That's me soon come the neighbor. Me soon come. Me away from me little girl come and thump him in the mouth. Why oh boy.
Me not get no bleach.
Look at girl, what me want about the pipes?
Feel lucky.
So why no lock none of the panny?
No lucky lock.
Lock. Lock you feel lucky so. Lock you feel lucky so. See there, lucky.
See you lucky with padlock.
And yes so you're lucky. Yes so.
So people then come for water.
Listen me. Anybody where come for water, not supposed to catch you none, you know.
But you not tell them that out your mouth.
But I will give a back to see man, you see Blinky. Where you come from?
Now you say me fi go buy bleach.
Oh. Where bleach there?
You not get none. So me buy bag juice with the money because me dey thirsty.
Yo. Me not hear good. Wait there. Me not hear good. Repeat what you just said a while ago.
Me not get none, so me buy.
You a big woman? You a big
Me
woman?
dey thirsty.
How many times me tell you, say, when you go a shop and me say if you go buy something, you bring back me money.
You never tell me fi buy, you tell me fi trust see.
So you go trust back to from bill.
$50.
Okay, girl.
The bleach that be
Don't worry,
$300.
we're shot your lunch money tomorrow. You know where you at?
School not keep, so you must know.
Oh boy. God, help me. Help me.
Where and it's becoming, I can't even know me I pray right now, you know. You have to go if you give me a good explanation tonight.
B.
Me there, man. Before you say nothing else, what doctor tell us?
So can't wait.
What doctor tell us, say? Cause I'm mad right now. Me have my mad glass.
Alright.
Mad.
Alright.
Talk to me now, man.
Hold on now.
You know what? Me now hold on.
You're too anxious. Calm
Me a hold on
down.
pan in my hand for hold on pan. The jug. It's as I come sit down for me a hold on pan. Talk to me nice.
Anyways, the doctor said I'm pregnant.
Jesus Christ. I wonder if I go for me a ear doubles. Put on the back. What you say?
I'm pregnant.
Music to my ears. Father, yeah.
You happy?
No girl for you guy.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, anyway.
So I want now, baby.
Right, okay.
I'm good. We're
So-
going to the beach tonight. We're going to Margaretville.
B, I hear no, we're not going nowhere. You hear? Not going nowhere. So, right now, you just realize how me pack up.
And if I'm to your breeder now. I will breed them at all. I will breed. Who breed you?
Be calm down.
Oh no, I say who breed you?
Are you breed me?
So where you go with bag? Where you go with bag?
If you're not listen to what me I say to you. Calm down now. Calm down.
It's a too soft.
If me just breed and could you want me start stamp out the baby already.
Soft, you know. Talk to me.
Why me take this a madman and come pick up in my life?
Talk to me.
Anyways, B, it's a happy moment, not a sad moment. Relax.
You happy and it's sad.
No, it's not
and
sad.
It's stressful in
It's
that
a
one.
fully happy,
You
straight through.
tell me say something I want to hear from much month. But how long do I try?
Years.
Right.
And it finally happened.
You finally know you tell me
Yes.
back from back and you leave, go.
B, me get one job. You understand me?
Man love tell man, you know.
No, just listen, me get one job and me not gonna come back until 9 months time. Me not gonna come back until 9 months time.
So you tell me, say, you go. A man, man water in belly. I know for me picking then.
B, me get a job. Right now, our baby, you know, say we baby can literally become a citizen overseas.
So a white man bring you?
No, just listen to me. A better opportunity for my child. Me I think, boy. Me get a work.
So
me I go for 9 months. Me I come back.
Me can mind pick for 9 months. Me have my money.
Well, he already organized, and I know me I leave. You understand? Just don't worry yourself. I'll get to see a baby. I'll get to hold a baby. Everything all alright. Here.
Alright.
Me can get a hug.
Right now.
I know you're out. Please.
When I come back, I see you.
Say don't trust me.
When I see you, I give you a hug. I give you more than a hug. I buy you a Benz.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, please. Don't worry yourself. Me go on. Me push right now.
Dig man.
Yeah.
Dig.
Don't worry yourself. Me keep in contact with you. Yeah.
Skip.
Alright. Love you later.
Yeah man. Skip. Yeah, go on man. If you can't take me for fool, you're a big man now, you're be a fool. Yo. So I think I tell me something good in the net. Tell the shovel here. Me walk up on him like a side up me a walk on. You didn't even know. Better come back on the right. Me I can go in my house too, you know. Walk through that, so I'm going to my place. And even
Yo, if that girl thinks them I come at this time and listen up. He make a sad mistake because I forget what me want out of him. And I hope you know Kyle could chat him out on with him too, you know. Because I don't know what I'm to share him. The time she come round. Eh? I know she not reach us, so watch her. Good time. She come. What?
That me feel asking you ever call me to my yard.
Shanice, you
Ariane.
made your decision as yet.
No is no. Read me lips.
Say this no. Not do it.
Not at all.
You not take the money and have the baby.
No, because I must live to see the money.
How you not gonna live, Shanice?
I did, my mama did, or my mama did.
Everybody line, they have their own life to live. That don't have to be yours.
Well, no.
Shanice,
when are you Pinky?
Pinky's a ghetto girl. Me don't want a ghetto girl be a child for me. You're a nice young lady.
But me not got the dear. Me got the dear.
Shanice.
When me know, me ask you when the baby born. Me go see the baby.
Shanice.
When the baby born.
I know you're a baby.
Exactly. So why you can't use Pinky?
Shanice, me I give a final offer.
I mean I want to take
the. You're not taking.
No.
Shanice, I decide you're not taking.
No.
Shanice, you're sure you don't want to take that chance? Eh? You want to take a chance with me, girl? As a matter of fact, I'm not ask you. You understand me? You're going to do it. Come on. Listen up. You left me with no choice. You understand? Me I ask you, me I beg you, Shanice. You know how long me I beg you if you just do this to me? You see me? Listen. You see, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir, you're fool.
Me not here.
Yes sir, you
no.
Girl, and I ask you if you stay. You
no,
see me?
Go home. Me not go beat you.
Shanice, me not hurt you. Just listen to what me I say.
Then don't put the gun on me now.
Because you're stubborn. You're one of the most stubbornest person me ever come across. You understand? Me tell you something need a youth out of you. And it's like you don't understand that. So, you see for 9 months,
me not done ya. So why me want pee-pee? Why me go pee-pee?
Me bring a bucket to you.
What?
You're not even see daylight till the baby they born. You see me? Me not ask you, Shanice.
Me not done ya.
Tomorrow, listen to me I say, tomorrow, my doctor, I go come.
Come do what?
Come inside the Yes.
That means say you can't kill me then.
Shanice, me will if you push me to it.
Then kill me. Or you go get the pitney.
Do not push me. No push me. Cause right now me do anything in my power to make sure that me get exactly what me want. You understand me? Me never want to hurt you.
You want to go home.
You're not get to see your daddy until 9 months time.
So when dead?
He's not dead during the 9 months.
Go home.
He cool man.
No.
And make sure you eat, you sleep. All I need is a bed. You understand me? You see me?
Want go home.
I'm sorry but you give me no choice. You don't give me no choice. Me beg you and a little plea me plead to you, Shanice. You push me to this. So you see us right now.
Point the gun.
More you feel humble. And think about this right now and prepare yourself for tomorrow. I catch something for you to eat so your body can well fed so you can go through the procedure. You see me?
I want to go home.
You know, not a box. You hear? Because you not see for your yard. And ask me after that.
Yes.
What happened to you?
Me sorry for lick you with the banana. Yeah, with the banana skin. Wish me didn't know say you lick hot. May I chat to you?
Me go about my business now.
Where my daughter there?
No, I don't know where that's at. Me that not chat from when. That a par with Pinky. Go look for Pinky.
My daughter not come in last night, you know. And you always can come a yard from what the area.
The one little time I come here, you take banana skin and dash in my face. I found what the half time back.
2 days ago.
Good.
No, my daughter missing. I must 3 days ago, me take the banana.
Let me tell you this now. Me that I don't par like a that. Me that I don't have no blasted sense. And me can't take it yet.
So you want to tell me, say, you know, no idea where my daughter
Look,
is?
see Pinky. You find your daughter. Me don't want about Pinky. But then you see me bad. You see, look what me do. You just go to party at night time and wind up because I want to live life and drink rum.
You know what why not bring?
Why not bring?
Disease.
If me catch a disease, I go to the doctor and get rid of it. And me got party. You hear me say me do? Me wine. When me the wine, me catch disease.
Let me teach you something. You see the word in here, H, I, and the V. You can't get rid of that.
Me not got party go do things. Me got party go wine, you know.
You go party go wine up. You're an idiot. You're a clown. You better go on a circus. If you want to wine up, go on a circus. You feel what them monkey there over Panama. You ever look at them? You ever look at them? Listen me. I go and check Pinky now, you know. Me I come back at you, you know.
You call me monkey. Like you good looking.
Hey, look at me good. I'm very elegant. You know? One way I go.
Sometimes when ugly people are tell me say they ugly. If you're good looking, they can tell me say me ugly. But guess if you good looking, are you ugly? So you tell me say me ugly. I have to laugh at you. How you actually humiliated?
Oh. Wait. I'm fine Pinky right now.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
What? I can't sleep so.
I feel good. I feel me a vomit. My belly a hot me.
That means you're pregnant now, man.
So every time you come with that.
Shanice, me don't know if you can trust it. I just that. You understand? But just to make you not stress out the baby, me put you away. You understand?
I feel good, man. Me tired. My belly a hot me. I'm in a top vomit.
Oh my God. I'm pregnant, you're pregnant. Here. Our first stage is a pregnancy. That here.
I mean, we got to do this for 9 months. We never can see when sunrise for a set.
Know yourself as time gets quite go along. Me carry you go right I do wake up peep, make get a little sunlight. You have to get your vitamin C and a little something there. So Shanice, you feel no different way other than what?
Me not have sleep.
You're supposed to
I
sleep.
never sleep so long in my life.
Yeah, you carry a young baby so you go sleep.
Everything me tell you laugh.
Because me happy.
Happy say me I go through depression.
Who's better you go through depression? Girl, you eat. You only thing might be a problem.
As
is
me
that
eat it come up.
You so stop. I first trimester, you know.
You just wait. Just open and pray say. J. Henry, no see you.
J. Henry.
I just open and pray say.
Who names up?
No, my father. Yeah, come ask me about who name so.
J. Henry from where?
Right in the lane, me live. In the lane across from Peg Up Shop. So stay there.
Wait there. Shanice,
Wow.
hold on. J. Henry as in shorting for Jeremy.
I don't know
Henry.
my father name. I don't know my father name.
By any chance, you happen to have one fish birthmark on your left leg?
How you know that?
Let me see it.
See there? Wait there. You know my father? Me confused. I don't know my father. I don't know about my birthmark. I don't know so much about my family. Who you be?
I know my brain can't process so much something one time. You see, tomorrow, Shanice, I need to carry me go meet your father.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
So I thought I do now.
Yes, at night, Shanice. I need to meet your daddy.
See how long you have me here? Just wait. And where you want to meet me daddy for?
Shanice, may I get something for you there? I don't think I can say what I need to say here right now.
Me confused, but anything I say, cause me want to know how you know my father, how you know about my birthmark, how you know so much something about me and kidnap me at the same time.
All I can say to you is that...
Look out
Shanice,
for me.
just listen now.
Me no want hear.
Just listen to me, I say. All I can say to you is that I'm sorry. Tomorrow, me and you see your daddy, you hear? You get to see daddy.
Tell me see me daddy, me now come back here. Come in and my stress here.
Good evening.
You again? You again?
We come from school. But no, instead of go to school today, look for your daughter. Because she borrowed me $1,000 and I want it back now.
Let me ask
So
you a
for the
question.
time, she miss me in the final. Shanice! My money.
So you come on my yard and have me stay on the road and tell us say my daughter trying to start partner your company. And then go one evening, she not come back home. And you I gonna come tell me say, if my daughter not come back home. I wonder if you kidnap me pitney. I wonder if you jealous and murder me pitney.
Girl, listen to me. My name, bye-bye. I never really get your name. I'll call her Shanice's father. Listen to me. Me and Shanice was never no bench and batty. Right?
Me go to Pinky now.
What you
I
say?
go to Pinky and Pinky say Shanice stop par with him because of you.
Huh? Shanice stop by because of Pinky.
Somebody alive. Man.
Make sure I'm going to tell you the truth. The God Almighty truth, God love. See, Shanice, all Shanice think about is education. Pinky is a harlot. Pinky, Pinky, they have sex all over the place, you know. Me now, I'm one who go to party and dance no more.
You hear what you talk about?
Mommy, I
You
feel
wanna
like
talk
two
about?
to kidnap your daughter. Your daughter's a very good girl. Man, a Pinky is out of daughter. Between me and one time, me used to Pinky I do trafficking. Trafficking one little girl.
Pinky himself can't even find, much less.
Because a Pinky do your daughter something. Sometimes I can't. Anyway, give me $1,000 your daughter take. I don't have time for your family member issues.
How much you borrow from you?
$1,000 I want it back.
$1,000. $1,000.
$1,000.
Oh, boy, I tell you, I come then. Give me a second.
Aye.
$1,000 she borrow from you. Yo, no, you shouldn't move. I'd go to prison for your 14-year-old today. I'd pronounce you. Oh, you shouldn't move. Shouldn't move. Shouldn't move.
Daddy, me a run for my life. Daddy, me all the
Where you come from?
Where me come from? Me come from Shanice, yeah. Shanice borrow me $1,000.
Me ask you again. Where you come from?
Daddy, me come from Shanice.
Me must say me ask you.
I'm telling you where I come from.
Remember say me ask you where you come from.
Let me come from Shanice and Shanice borrow me
Where
$1,000.
you do over Shanice yard?
Me go
You have something over Shanice yard if you go over
me
Shanice yard.
$1,000.
What?
Me 1,000 me this.
You do what?
Me 1,000
Come yes sir, yes sir.
1,000.
Which $1,000?
It was
Talk up no man. Which $1,000? We are jump up for you, jackass. We are jump up for.
Daddy.
You ain't go over Shanice go do.
Me go for Shanice to me $1,000, Daddy. You know.
Where you get money from via lend Chinese out money and if you go to school and you can't find money for go to school. But your money can lend Chinese.
Shanice still hungry, Daddy. And if I never have it, somebody, me take out your $1,000.
You what?
Me take out your $1,000.
You not like me can't come out go nowhere else.
Morning.
Morning.
How you doing this morning?
You blind? Depressed.
Well, you can sit
So
up
how your
here.
big the mattress itself shift?
You can sit up for a minute,
How
please?
long when me I go stay in here?
Can you sit up for a minute, please?
No.
Can you sit up for a minute,
No.
please?
How long
Can you sit up for a minute, please? Your stubbornness is getting to me now. Sit up for a minute.
talk?
Thank you. I didn't want to do that, but you pushed me to do that. Jeez. Anyways, as I said from last night, you are pregnant. You understand? And
Last night, then I one night God for you come back here. When you left here?
I came in here last night to you.
And me not think 4 months run off.
You slept a lot. I'm sorry to inform you. But you called a name last night, and that name sounds very familiar to me. You understand?
Why?
You said J. Henry, right? That was what you said.
Yeah.
As in Jeremy Henry.
I ain't very live. What the problem?
If it's the same Henry, sorry. If it's the same Henry that I think you're talking, I might be your biological mother.
Eh?
Yeah. If it's the same Henry that I think you're talking.
So you want to tell me, say, the woman when me papa say dead can be you.
Well, we can't know that until me actually see your father.
I do believe that, but yeah, me can kill some fire right now.
Yeah,
I'm a chopper
but
say dead.
listen, you see, when we go see your daddy, if it's not the same guy, you understand? Tell him, say, I save you. Alright, and you're right there, so. You hear? What me say if I say it to him?
I save me.
Yes, but if it turn out to the same person, me no know.
Then I know
Me
what
no
happened
know
to
the
me.
outcome. I swear, cause right now, with I regret literally make me daughter have to go through this.
Come.
So, get your shoes or whatever and come on.
Yes, come. Go on.
Calm down. That coming like you want to run out, leave me.
Come.
Just relax. Remember what me say if you say no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why, me tell me just end my life. God no, you know, look how long I can't find the fitness. Look how long. Nobody not see the police and worthless. Man? My God, man. Oh, God. What is this? Oh, boy.
Daddy.
You alive?
Yeah.
Wait there.
What happened, Jeremy?
Wait there. All along are you find me daughter?
All along you find my daughter. All along you have my daughter and not even reach out to me. All along.
How was she?
I walk this woman breathe from him push out in gone if you.
So you
what
say she dead?
she dead. To me. Because what kind of mother like she would have push you out and gone from green check with different man?
What kind of father like you that take up my pitney when in my young age and gone and reach out to me and make me know say my daughter good?
Reach out to you for what?
Oh, for sure, so me
Okay,
have
you
a
go,
child
so
out
you
there.
find out your mother. Eh? And why you silent?
At Penny Road, me see her and he tell me say you're father.
So where did the man yard? But what about man?
No, he never there no man yard.
Man yard.
She what? How you afraid of her so?
He not afraid of me. Up on the mirror for her up on the road and ask her say what she do on the road. Then we there. Like, me not see reason.
Give me
She
where you
pick
have
me up
behind you.
with gun. No?
Give me where you have behind you. Give me where you have behind you.
He tell us you're pregnant.
Who? I
She
don't.
hold me down and push something in on
Give me
me.
where you have. So you take up your own pitney.
Me never know say I'm my daughter.
That wouldn't know. That wouldn't know.
That with you, if you didn't make me know say my daughter.
When I know your daughter or not, you don't take up people pitney off a road. You don't kidnap people pitney. Eh? Or you take up a 14-year-old go breed. For what?
You cause this. Cause if you didn't have me pitney, you make me know my daughter, it wouldn't happen to her.
Tell your daughter the truth. And make it look like say me are the bad father.
Are you?
Yes, I tell him say you're dead. Wish you did dead to me because she push you out of hospital and say no want you. Because tell her because of her. Tell her no. Tell her.
Cause you ain't no money.
Right. So she left you for me and gone.
Kill her.
Murder her. Yeah, me did tell her say she dead a long time for true. Hold it. Good. Go on in. Go wash off yourself. Hey, come here. Who you the breed for?
Me no know a man. She carry me go our house and hold me down.
And put all the man go on top of you.
She put something inside of my vagina.
She put something in your vagina and you breathe.
She said me pregnant.
Although you're 14, you ever yam a belly before?
No.
You have to go yam that one you cannot unbastard and company earth. Because I don't know who are man or who are not man, because I can relative same way. One you go wash off your skin, you're miley. You like in a beard for a week. Can't believe. Huh? No man, you deserve one more man. You can't believe it. Out of all the people them in the world, you. That's what man wanted to girl.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking lot. and you.
Every man in this man I get to they do opinion like you know how to job the pan people. Because people real quick. Oh, text me na the man. Father God, thank you for your bill. Amen. Okay, money. This money is for Sean, not for Kayla. Daddy Edna work good a morning time and I made a realize. Mama, wake up. We need to have something. Wake up. Get up. Get up. Rise and shine and you got the glory. Wake up now. Wake up. Every morning me wake up in the house here. I ever hear near me the sip money. $500. Every morning for Shan. Shan.
You mean by remember I know say you usually get money every day when time that you usually gonna work and me never get none, you know.
And that's why me not like say you come here. Me never me would have mind if I never born.
What you mean by you're my father too, you know my father?
I'm my stepfather first.
That's a stepfather. I'm my father.
You say me have feelings say you are your father. Me have feelings say you am not things. Me have feelings say you do things with your father for $500. Me have a feeling.
Oh, me if you do things with my father. You think me stay like some other girl out the road?
Every morning me wake up and hear your name the panny. My name never can the panny say me if you get the money. My name could never the panny. What your money?
When you usually get your two bills a morning time, me name cuss, you know, me name mumble or say nothing, you know. Me just make you get your money, you know. So why when time me I get my money now, you want to say something?
Daddy too unfair. Daddy could have split the money in a half. 250 for you, 250 for me. Why you have to get all of the money? Where me I go eat?
Him don't give me already. So me go see where I go
eat.
Me don't know.
Where me I go eat?
I don't know.
Me still can't tell them at the house. Every morning that God said, me no one for do. Thief.
I know me have a cousin, I go cuss your father.
I hear poop on my palm, step on me, so start walk on him.
That not nothing to do with me.
Every morning you name the palm money.
You go continue see. Cause when time you usually get your money, you know, me never say no, you know. Just make you get your money and stay. I mean stay hungry, so you must can be hungry too.
You little young. What you gonna do with money? I burst it if it suck. What you gonna do with money? Tell me what you gonna do with money. Not say no to me, I'm gonna burst it and go.
Wait, but about mine you have.
Hello sir, good morning.
What one now? The mass.
Me there good?
They have a one grind there, you know?
Oh. What your name?
Name?
Mm-hmm.
So a job one and call me though.
Job one? Yeah, no say, me not normal do say, but me ask if you have no money can buy me something to eat, cause me hungry. Yes.
Just so?
Yeah, just so. Me hungry.
Why? You never good heart, you know what? You are going. I go down and shop down this here.
Uh-huh.
Buy 1 pound of tin mackerel, 1 pound of rice, what a change.
1 pound of tin mackerel, 1 pound of rice. Give back a change. Right there, sir.
Right there, so maybe.
Don't move, right there, sir. Alright.
Read fast. Get away. One long girl come buy money and no one can come up with money. That's how I really go on. I say something about quickly kind of people, you know. Run off with all of my money right now. What are we going now? And then I see me go big. Alright, now I'm going to anyone book him on my money.
Yeah, boy.
Big. Oh, Slimmers.
Come back.
Come there, I wonder where you're going with my money, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so look like you're right, man.
You're right. You know if you're wrong, you're right. But thanks, eh? Thanks.
But hold on.
Eh?
What you good to them, what you say about it?
Oh, the mackerel and rice?
You know, say you're hungry. Nobody hungry.
See, no, say me think about it. I realize that the mackerel and the rice copes with exactly into an American sandwich. So me just go ahead and say, why not buy an American sandwich? So I buy a burger
But
and I eat it.
You're not smart.
I mean, but I'm not smart.
Burger done already, though.
Yeah, done belly full.
Belly full, though.
Yeah.
All that done. Juice, fries, burger, everything.
Everything done.
Everything done.
Everything done.
But what time I know?
I don't know, I can't be for me.
That again. But watch out now.
Early morning.
See, buy mackerel and rice now. Could I eat now, later, and tonight?
No.
So later when you're hungry again, where you go?
Think about the burger and full my belly. I can't do better because I don't know what to do.
But when you're hungry, look more, where you go?
Me stepfather must come by then to buy something give me to eat. Yeah.
Boy.
So but thanks to help. Next time I see you around Jawbone.
But
My new name is Slimmers. From after now you call me Slimmers, yes.
So Slimmers. Can I have a number with me? Can I link up on it up?
Alright, I'll tell you. 568 2873.
Alright, I think I can by the part.
Alright. Later.
Alright, look more.
Bye.
Alright. Stay. Jano.
Shan. Eat some money.
So you must eat. Don't come in like a belly suffer.
I guess I pack me up, man. Me hungry.
You so you chew you going like you a big woman, you know. You cuss me off and walk out. So you come like knock up your belly. No, don't come knock up your belly and tell me about guess I take up you.
I must say you get the whole lot of money. Me hungry bad. Me hungry. Me say me hungry. No, because me cuss this morning and me cuss because me feel hurt. But ever I take you all of the money, I not get none of the money.
But you go like one time you usually get the money and I never say nothing.
Then the time you did young. But you take your money and buy sweetie?
Yeah. So you still spend, me I go spend the money.
Me hungry bad. Me like me I go drop down.
Is it true me not coming like you? You go shop and you buy something with this. Yeah. Do not spend all that, you know.
How about you talk to me like say you're the big one?
I'm not business. I said do not spend all that. You go shop, go spend half it and bring back the next half.
Yeah.
All this.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, no sir. Where change there?
What change?
It's all long. You take a shop, where change them? You tell us spend half of the money. Not all of the money.
This a little young girl I rank with. Listen to me, Sean. It's a little 500. It don't people could have buy what me want. I want a little ginger beer. Me take and bust gas.
So ginger beer can't full. Yes, they come in and say you're hungry. Ginger beer can't full belly?
No, ginger beer from belly. Me wash down the burger when me eat before.
Oh, yo.
Oh.
So you go to the road.
Yes.
You buy burger. And come here and act like you're hungry and lick up your belly button. Gas.
The burger, the gas up my stomach. Somebody want to ring sit down. It's like maybe though, every morning daddy left money for Sean. Sean, like he come like he forget to spell me name. Every morning, your father do something. You and daddy they ride. And night time they $500. You young girl.
When time me usually give you money, but he say on their ride.
Hello, at $200 me like it. $200. Yeah, get $500. Eh? $500.
But we still give you half of the money. Me tell you, spend half. You go behind my back and go spend the whole lot. When me I go use eat now. Hello,
listen to me. Me don't know if it's go eat. See the time they go there, so go eat there, fight something, me don't know if then the next thing too, something don't right. Every time that God send you like daddy left money for Shan.
Daddy supposed to left money for me if I buy something to eat.
Remember say my mother gone, you know. So daddy supposed to left money for me too. I do have a step pipe left money. If you left money, you know I left no money. If you left money,
remember my father, you know, you step us. If you don't give no, you can't blame, you can't murmur or say nothing. And my real father is a stepfather.
He know me
stepfather.
He know me before he know you.
He know my mother before your mother. So we are talking about.
No, that no say. But me I didn't daughter first. Then you just come and take away everything. I don't like a bone in you.
I smell jealousy. I smell jealousy.
I don't care if I want to smell jealousy. We're jealous. Yes. Every money that you take, I give you.
And you still gonna be a good sister. Cause me still take money and tell you go spend half. And you spend the whole life.
Me not spend your money. Me spend daddy money. You're not working.
What I mean daddy give the money what you mean by? I'm daddy have to give you none of money. I still take up the money and give you.
I mean make daddy work, you know.
You're so very ungrateful.
It's not I go and find a ton ungrateful. I mean make daddy work, you know.
Next time you go hungry. Next time you go hungry, you can't beg me nothing, but you not get nothing from me.
Watch me another house, yeah. Me and you they go have it out. Okay. Daddy better get to another bed.
Cause you can't come sleep on mine, you better go on the door. Mama, if I ever buy you the burger, you go and go sleep with them.
Mama, I'm my first day sleep on that before you come here. I know
but I come to take over now. I come to take over now, see your time expire.
And I shall kick you over.
Okay.
So come take over.
No true, you're the big one, you feel like you can't bully me, you know. You might big one, you can't bully me, better go on.
You tell me go on, because I'm talking with you. You kill me.
Me say like a girl ungrateful, my brother. After them tell me last and give her the money, you know. She come and go talk about daddy this, daddy that. Me didn't have to give her none of my money. I'm say, alright, go on the shop, go spend half and bring half, come give me. You gotta spend the whole night and come talk about she buy a burger and she want juice and this and that. Next time she go once now, she can't get nothing from me.
Chinese. Have a piece of twerk to tell you. You know me I don't fry you.
So your son so breathless.
Cause me catch up like a dirty flu. And then me in an argument with my sister. And then me a run. You know what happened? Me run and last my phone through the shortcut. Every now me never take it up. But me walk back to the shortcut, me must find it back. It has me I say now.
So
you don't know how my stepsister she nasty. She's a little nasty thinking girl.
which one?
My stepsister.
The maga one full of tattoo?
Yes.
Oh,
She, what father spoil? I don't know my father, my stepfather spoil her. Papa is spoil her. Because I'm daughter. You don't want to know so the girl do things with his father.
That's not right.
That
When I
right.
say do things, what do you mean?
They want to do things at night time.
Like mama and papa?
Yes. I don't know how much you do it for. Just guess.
110 grand?
$500, mama. $500 the girl walk out her body for. And a regular night time me hear her.
Me can't too short because me come like me a catch a flow too. But $500. That even one burger money?
Not even one burger money, mama. Nothing at all.
Something have to suspicious for real, you know. Because look her skin full of tattoo and you can't put on none.
Hey, all at night time, you know. I must have to see how live, you know. All at night time. Me hit mama look on the bed, me no see mama.
Me hear that the piece of old bed, a jerk, like a working, don't they a
So what for your mother they when all of that are gone?
No, remember our mother passed away after giving childbirth. Because she was a Cross's daughter. That's why the mother passed away.
So the woman the over there named her mother?
No, my mother that. But my mother gone overseas now for a business trip.
Oh.
So that they could thinking, girl, not have work for the money, not to think to daddy tap give me money. Daddy take your whole life money and give her. Every dime daddy take and give her. Can you believe that?
That kind of looks suspicious.
It's suspicious. Because them a do it, you know, suspicious. Me know.
So wait there. When they ask her, what she say?
She not. You think me coming like there's a girl there out there that do things for money? And she don't know. So me not go do girl. I go video her. She had to be a things girl.
So me not understand. Me actually understand, but me not understand. The money well left. After the 2 hours or if you want somebody.
Mama, you see me take up your paper? I'm look on it.
One paper?
Yes, paper. All right. This money is for Sean, not for Kayla. I just wake her up. Cause every morning she a get money like so she don't know what to do with the money. Daddy not give me no money.
No man, something not right. Something not right this son. Something not right this son, man.
Something more than alright, mama. Something more than alright at all.
So what else know about it?
Nobody is gonna hear alone, me tell.
So what make you tell me alone?
Girl, me your friend, me have to tell everything.
I
guess what to me, I say tell you, nobody hear my business.
Tell me.
You know what I know, say. The girl that do things for her, but the app them again only fans. Mama de pa only fans. When me see mama me see her, you know, but me not tell daddy, me I make daddy find out by myself. Mama bed over so. Mama said so, and mama de take 3 man one time.
But wait now. If your father already a go there, you not gonna really business about no holy fans.
No, he might feel away. You know some man believe say they might see what some man nasty. Then believe say they feel not them daughter. But he can't try to stay with me because he mash him up. And he know if he not ramp with me. He little daughter them a do things, Sean. A little 15-year-old girl, he want some backside beating. Cause he no top take hood. Hood this up, hood yes up.
Me speechless, you know.
You speechless?
Me speechless.
Don't tell nobody do.
Huh?
I say me not tell nobody.
Then you tell me for.
Mama, me tell you come me have to tell me want to tell somebody.
God.
You want to tell back somebody?
You think me can't hold nothing for long.
Mama tell me back. Tell me back.
Tell you back?
Yes.
Kayla's sister, Papa daughter. The top right Papa night time for $500. Not even burger money.
Yes, stop now.
You know what you the rest?
Keep it easy.
Oh, so how your head back looks so double?
What do you mean by double?
Like a 2 you have.
No, a 1. A 3 girl top. But remember, I say not tell nobody, not need a little black boy down the road. I mean, I know it's 2 hours, no can not tell me the hand my but it's a black boy there. Don't tell a black boy them my business. You hear me say?
I'm my brother.
Don't tell him my business. And chat about him, I'm farmer.
Me go try.
Okay, bye-bye.
Later.
Yes, me out back for my phone. Me lost my phone.
Alright, me I can go in.
Right, don't owe me no. Feel him and get to this year. Nah, get to it.
You ever see the notice like you're homeless?
No, me I check up things.
Where they check up?
Because this year, everybody will owe me, I walk and collect.
Then you have money for lend out?
Remember, see me I do my partner drive. Other people owe me. Susie down there, so she no pay me for 2 months. And my rent and my jump, you know. I say, no water now coming in the lane, and my rent and my jump.
Because when you talk nonsense, you know you don't, nobody know where you no money, you don't have no money. Must know which where you get money from. Anyways, let me tell you something, because you know my mouth can't hold nothing for too long. I mean, I really have nobody else to tell nothing.
You come with the mix up, me tell you say too young and mix up. Where's the mix up? You can't hear and hold your mouth. And you know if you tell me, everybody are gonna know.
Then that's why they tell you. So everybody can know.
What no? What?
Alright. Yes, you know Kayla and Sean from Papa. Me black friend where head in forehead big and in tall and in head back.
Big forehead one.
Yeah, the big forehead one.
And she never have no weight. She maga.
She have a weight, don't do that. But yeah, she and the other one we never no weight. Yeah, that one. So you talking for?
No, me have to listen. Good.
Oh. Yeah, that one there.
Yeah.
Me hear say Papa in the top right out the little one belly for $5.
What?
It's like
Where you say where I go?
Where you go?
Where you say where I go?
Me say Papa over there and in the top right out the little one belly and I give them $5.
Data? That
like
man is a dirty man. He was riding data.
It's like you're
He
there.
was giving data. Jesus Christ.
And then not even they look on the data and give the data $10 grand. $5.
$500. What do you mean? US?
Jamaican money. Me kind of tell you so you can go over there with you and $2.
God, if you're not busy, come down here. If
you make me not like tell you nothing.
Stop work and listen this. We say, talk again.
Me say me not like tell you nothing. We are call God daddy spa.
Talk again. Cause this serious, you know. Them man they will get a judgment there on their skin.
Worry about you and not worry about nobody. One case say that tell like on Susie about Susie owe your money.
No, Susie owe me for real.
You don't no money for lend Susie.
Them man, I will send them piece of weed. I will sell them piece of weed.
When you sell them piece of weed, collect the number so me can get.
Me I sell them piece of weed. Ah, brother, I'm coming. Don't move.
Remember if you collect your number.
Jesus Christ, me tell you want a white man. A white man you want. Go find back where did David? Jimmy.
Rasta Jimmy. Jimmy too black.
Jimmy a elevate now. Jimmy a cook shop.
Me still no want him.
He like it salt up Jimmy, you know.
Me come here to tell people business.
Jimmy did there and Jimmy house burn down flat. He like a salt up Jimmy. I know Jimmy a elevate now. Jimmy a cook shop.
You know say me and you related. Me and related, you know.
No,
I pick you up from over bush.
Me have to tell you how it is. Because so it be. Everybody are talking.
Alright, let me talk.
Jimmy, me don't know what you have done there. The salt up Jimmy, but you need to wash it out. Wash it out, get the blue stuff and wash it out. And go back to Jimmy. Check back Jimmy. Jimmy I make money. You know how much I'm back to down.
So me can access something?
$700.
Me can access something?
Huh.
Why Frank Curry left your top beard? Why Frank Curry left you to start mad? You talk to yourself.
No, me can't.
When last you sleep in one bed?
Listen up.
No, you dey talk my business for road. So me talk your business for road. Frank Curry left you. Your beard?
Let me talk so. Me I try to get back Kerry, so the man tell
Kerry no want you back. Kerry move on. You know say you did that one little Kerry. Kerry have 3 pitney now.
No, you want
Kerry living upstairs and downstairs house.
You want to sit
yes, that you burn me.
No, that's not
good. Me can't really talk loud.
Because Kerry tell me I love her life. She never yet get a man like me.
And because the mother did that girl come money and you did that drive that car.
No.
Daddy dead and gone now. I will sell the car to bury him.
Go and hold Kerry so and give Kerry what she want. Kerry say, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, give me it. And I give Kerry it.
I gotta tell you something. It's a truth, my brother, I don't want to really tell you because Kerry did something to keep it to myself. But you can't breathe nothing. The little 3 minutes where Kerry say they work for,
right,
it can't work. That's why Kerry move on. Then not tell me about nobody we have no cook shop down the road.
Right.
Me not frightened of back food.
Stop blowing up your mouth, man. Yeah,
and you need to go beard.
Stop blowing up your mouth. Me I go down there so. Me I collect money with Susie woman down there so. And go up on me yard. Me I go all that beard.
Where you get money from for Susie if you owe your money? I rubbish take up for Susie.
No, me rent time me jump.
Where you get jump?
No water no day in the lane and me rent time me jump for she catch up some water last
Where you get jump from? Just imagine somebody come stick me up because your teeth them.
Borrow my jump. You don't know still but me borrow it. Me just go over there and borrow it. You don't know but me just rent Susie say any little thing me can buy my juice out of the money.
When you got top teeth?
Your
proper thief till then kill him. Now you can't start thief. Right. I never bury the drum if the man don't know.
I'm borrowed to defend something, man. Stop, no, man. Yeah, make people look at me and way like me. I got people play good thief and take up people and things that are for me. Me borrow it, but he wasn't there. So me take it up and lend Susie.
Listen to me. Me the kind of overload, you know, overload me just go Lego. So that's why me did want to look for you. Go and go be there. You smell the rankish.
Me
Later.
go down to Susie.
Alright, later.
Cause
Must
me
know where you
right
get
up
money
how
from.
much she owe me from now. And then thing like them a rob me this year. 8,000 from Susie. Mark, million Mark. Million Mark.
What you want no more?
Everyone say all the time once when we come and so. You can't buy something, you just sit down so burn weed. You can't burn weed so.
Something. Yeah, I just smoke weed now and release my life stressing up on my brain, my friend. So where you come from?
You can't burn your weed, you know.
Left off from my weed now. Left off from my weed case now. Just left from my weed. So left off from man. Where you say you come from now? I mean, no see you come from now.
Anyways, I want pad me a beg a buy for me. Because my period come down for me and I don't pad my run out.
No money, you know, so we can't look right now, you know. Right now, we're low.
So what me I go do? What me I go use? We can't use paper.
Yeah, but boy, I mean, even if you use tissue or something, stuff up it. Because boy, I never rob nobody to get.
I never know say how nasty man me there with. How me fi use tissue? You mad?
So I'm going to TV.
Might as well go TV.
Young man look for your house, you want to finish and you have TV and black to go build a house, yeah. If you got TV buy a pad for your boy, you can use tissue, yeah, man. Stuff up here or something.
Stuff up what? No. What did they stuff up? It look like pipe?
I mean, a blood, you know. A blood. So you can't...
Come on, man, I can't be joking. Me then joking thing.
Me don't have the money right now. You have to check my phone next time. No, right now. Me don't have it right now.
What do you mean?
Check my look more. Check my look more, man. Can you check my look more? Me don't have it right now. So you have to just circle me back.
So, you mean if you tell me, say, me a woman.
My hands up.
Me a woman. I'm a activist. To buy me one pack up for you can't buy.
Because I don't have it right now. Me not have it. It's come and stress my brain right now. Me I try what I've
got. Me stress your brain because I tell someone one pack up.
Yeah, because I don't have it. It's a down pad. Me not wear pad, you know.
Exactly, you know, wear pad. Me have to wear it because it's important.
Me not have the money. Me not have it. So right now, I'll leave up right now. So you can sit down man wait for me.
How can I man this? No! It's a safe attack.
One man here that need to put lock up on and shoot off no sense. Before I come at the hand, you know, the intense somebody apart with money, you put up 100 US and I see them stone them a job. Because if you left them, anywhere you go, I'm going to follow you, I'm going to trouble you when you sleep. I'm sorry. You have to me already, you know. You have to me already, so I can't tell you what you have to do.
So I first me a pass a standard that we pay.
I put your pass, kind of have the money then tell me when you pass. Now you have an account.
So you see me with the money?
And that man is greedy, don't say that you are greedy. Then I tell you to
See you know which one I stole them?
Boy, come like a tool for so long time. Come and see me can show you then. Yeah man, see whatever I can say.
Come put your under it.
No, you have to put your under it. I know me account.
Alright, let's come card.
I'm gonna say, oh, it's a girl, right? I see how she now. Watch me on the phone. They're still there.
Then I will be for what will family live?
Give me a seat there. Run up and down that place. Run up and down. Give me a go on now. You what go on now? You see this, sir? Come in now, say. What you say you want again? This, sir?
Hard. Which tissue? What do you do with tissue?
No, if stuff up about pot. Me get a money, but
Stuff up what?
no worry yourself about that.
A pipe there stuff.
Listen now, man, no worry yourself about that. That can't stop seeing me with all type of sitting, but listen me now. See this here? A US. You can see Benjamin Franklin upon. You see me? So when you change this like a Cambio, they get a 15,000 or some silver. You see me?
Yeah.
So much for that. What you want?
5 bills.
Okay. So bring back my 14,500 there, please. One.
Why? For a man where I grind me a night time, you mean bad, you know?
I don't mean money. You know how I get money a while ago, you even know
I know business, I mean, I really care.
Look at the place.
You mean so tell.
Watch out, Veranda want finish, you know. The place want finish, you know.
You know what?
Look at the
You
bike
need to
want
go look at work. They are complain about veranda want fix. Are you working? No, you're not.
Right.
You don't need don't ball to me, ball to God.
How me get the money now?
It's like you know, you're having a business.
Go on, come on, change my mind and take all my money.
I like.
Go on, man. Come on, grateful, you know, man.
Take it when you can, take it back. Bye.
Bring back my change.
Me not bring back none.
Not even $1 over $500.
Yeah, nah, get back none.
Alright, now bring it back and see.
Yeah, go see.
Next time, me and you.
Man, make a money today, you know. Everybody will owe me have to pay me. Remember, so me tell you. I will pay yesterday till Susie come. Hi.
Hi.
Why come like God love me if you see it today, mama? Where you come from?
Down the road.
Jesus, God love me. You know you love me, God, but today you give me a blessing. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm afraid of me now, man. Me and a bowl up and up because I say, me and a bowl, right? Mm-hmm. Nice to meet you. Where you come from?
You asked me that already.
No, me never hear clearly. Me have to hear clearly.
From down the road.
Down the
ahead and take a
down the road now, the name.
left turn. I mean a right turn, not a left turn.
My ass on your tongue doing like them type of something.
Jesus, why you do so far?
So I'm type of is. Me like you know. Soon get to that. Me want to know if you know a lady down your name Susie because she owe me a piece of money, you know. And me not left you so till me collect it. You know Susie? Like where you live on the lane.
Susie live back up the road. If you want to see Susie, you're not going to see Susie. Don't
but yeah, so me give her the money.
Yeah, you might give her the money right as so, but I'm not down so she live up the road.
But that's why me there so from morning, you know. And me not see a soul walk out of it. Nobody know live so.
Me don't think so, you know. Me don't normally see nobody over there.
Right. Me have to box Susie. Where on? Give me a number. No, let's drop in a number, man.
Just like that.
And next time, now, when me see her again, nobody say why me too fast because me near sight. It's if you're there close to me, I go see everything. You understand? Yeah. So your name?
My name is Amanda. It's CM.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
And
Amanda.
yours?
Them call me Spooky, but my name Tugger. Yes.
Alright, nice meeting you, Toga.
Yes. Me see you around, no?
Yes.
Me just ring your bird and you answer me.
Mm-hmm.
And the wrong number you give me.
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright, let's.
Okay.
Daddy, wake up.
Listen, me man, you know how I'm coming from work. I want it there.
Run a room. Let me talk to you about something. Me ask a question, don't take it away. I something me dey think about. You Shanna do things at night time.
What the hell you are chatting? You know what you just said a while ago?
If you and your daughter do things at night time.
I feel like I want to use something and cook you, man.
Because this morning me wake up, you left money but for Sean, not for Kayla. So me not deserve money.
Because you
What
no
minute for
manners.
eat?
That's why I didn't left no money for you.
Me
You
buy
don't
me
have
the
no
manners.
manners. You talk too loud. You're too dishonest. You're unruly. You use all the tissue. The big old tissue me see that the tissue, in the toilet paper last night. No, me I say toilet paper and I toilet last night. Oh, I don't know, do.
You see how my yarn a while ago? Because what you're talking is foolishness. Pure foolishness.
Where's Shandy?
No, me throw.
Me there when I'm rude and me hear not talk. What you said to daddy now?
So left money for you alone.
You know what say? 2 is for me. You know what say? Kayla. She come on a constant about me to left 5 is for me every day. So I not left no money for her. She go along with herself, going up and like name up herself like she delegate her. Sometimes she go on road, come back, pop up her belly. She hungry. So I say, alright then. So I come here 5 bills. Alright, me I give you off and me take off. Me tell her go buy Sydney. So when me come back, me see her belt come with ginger beer. The whole lot money done. Me turn to her ask her, me not say spend half my money and give me half my money. She'll tell me about true you always my money. She spend her full like. I know she turn to me and say she gotta go eat burger. She have to buy too so to quench it down. I don't give me nothing.
So, you see what I try to show you now? I expect them to get up a man in time.
You know how me get burger?
And, by the way, who buy your burger?
Man buy me burger. Cause you not provide, so I forgot to go.
Which man buy your burger? Which man buy your burger?
Stop!
Which man buy your burger?
And then they could take my
Which
money and
man
spend
buy your
it.
burger?
One man.
What me tell you about man?
Love man too much.
Don't beg man. Come on,
Right.
beg your back.
Right. And if you not have nothing to give them back, them will murder you.
Probably if it was being a man and a father at it too.
And
Would have got big man.
me's not a real papi, me I try my best. Me I try my best.
My
When you
mother got a foreign. And how we do with the money? She just send money.
listen me.
Sit down.
Yes, your mother send money.
So why you have to send on the middle?
Because most they in the middle.
Listen me no want to know that create now fight. I see if me left you no man in again, and me see you they fight again, me and uno.
And daddy, you need to remind that publicity is picnic then. Say, you is not a real father.
How she a capacity?
You!
You.
You!
I mean capacity.
Yeah. Chair room.
I mean capacity.
Chair room.
Yeah, because.
Chair room.
Right.
Is that you let me how she a capacity?
Go to your room.
Don't worry. She go and shame me. She going to shame.
Go to your room.
My man a call me.
You what? Yeah, what me I say? Me no business to me. I prank him, I try prank me. You go in your room.
Okay.
A man in me left lunch money phone.
Okay, I'm not give her none.
Oh, I tell you, the headache.
is fashion, not Kayla. This is. What do you mean by? No. Daddy, what you mean by you left flower for me and give Kayla money? You should left the flower for Kayla and the money for me. And you know me can't cook. Oh, so the money for me and the flower for Kayla. I understand. So this coming no money have to be mine because it could never be Kayla one.
Name my God, when you sleep, me I wake you up.
Girl, why you switching paper them and put this is for Sean, not Kayla, and put your name over here upon the money. You know, so I flower here one and the money am I. Why
you don't know that? You see me wake up and do that? Wake up from my do nothing.
So always switch, always sit there and switch.
How do you know that? Me a God.
Me just girl, Jesus. So it's supposed to be just call daddy and daddy tell me say the money are for me, the flower are for you. So it's up to him so much.
So you see me name over here, so right?
Yeah.
Money are mine, not yours.
Daddy they say that. Me just call daddy for the phone and daddy say the money is mine, the flower your own. That means say if you use the flower I'll make you know. And not bother me with my money.
Every day you get money. Every time you get money. How wrong with you? Huh?
You know,
tell me how me switch here.
You know say come like you're a thief?
What thief?
You is a thief. I'm gonna tell daddy say you're a thief.
Me a thief?
Switch the paper with the two paper them and put my name over the flower part and your name over the money part. What you want thief me? What me do you in a life?
You know what you do in a life? You tap me food.
Oh, me tap your food now?
You take, you get money every day. Me can't get the money. How you gonna do? I'm so flower.
Oh, me tap your food now. What do you give you my money? Me say share it in a half. You go shop and you take your whole life. Oh, me take. Oh, me. Better. Me I get tired of you now. I get tired of you now.
Me not time for you right now. This is sick my spirit.
Oh, me sick your
spirit.
spirit.
Me switch paper. You see me asleep. You wake up before me. How me switch your paper?
So all paper switch and that me I will try understand. Don't put in a house.
How are this your name?
Fun.
Good. Set good. Breeze no blow.
So you tell me say the breeze
no blow.
You tell me say the breeze blow. Yeah.
Breeze no blow.
Wait.
Breeze no blow.
Alright. The money did the Panny sin so. This is for Sean, not Kayla. Panny sin so. This your paper you did this so. So you tell me say it breeze blow a paper and the paper go so?
Yes.
May I eat that?
Me no know.
No, may I eat that Kayla?
Don't worry yourself, Sean. You say you want daddy on the gang perish.
You're lucky.
Yeah, no, okay. No, me no.
Go with the flower.
Say you want daddy.
Go with the flower. Because a flower you get.
Yeah,
flower you get.
Yeah, daddy I ride at night time.
Yeah. Anything you want to say, you say. Anything you want to say, you say.
I ride at night time.
Yeah, go with the flower. Flower you get.
Right.
And you can't get back nothing from me. Flower you get.
Hello. At least me get friend what you get. $500 when they walk out your body for a night time.
And we $500. This year 5 is you can buy enough more flour than that, and plus 2 eggs, plus juice, plus franc. So we are saying.
Watch this now. You say flour, you can't serve me that. That's soon done.
Alright.
No worry yourself. You're not
okay.
Perish.
Yes. Work teeth. You're two thief, man.
Two thief.
Your steps is your two thief. No, all your thieves, so.
Hello. Me not thief. Me simple just switch it. Me tired of flour.
Me know you switch man. Boy, man. You just lie and weak. Me know. Me say me have to tell daddy boy. Okay, you two thief, man.
Girl. Mama. Wake up.
Nobody else but Kayla.
One and only. Never told her.
I go on the house hot girl and come out to stand at the door.
Girl. We have a tea to tell you now.
So we a good flower. How for birthday?
And about the birthday, no. This morning we wake up bright and early. Like
for a bus.
Look a bit. See what right now. And my sister thinking more worry. Anyways, as me I say now. You know what I say this morning we wake up bright and early. Anything, I find my phone. Yes, I'm going to tell her. But as I talk about this man, I talk about the phone, I talk about this man, right? You don't want to know, say this morning when me wake up right and early. When we go so boom, so I'm going to look at daddy left nothing for eat, you know. When we go so, Mrs. Daddy left 500 for the girl again and left flour. Dry flour, don't even want cooking oil. Don't even like sugar. Don't even pot. Don't even water.
And I put
cooking oil. Hello.
Maybe you put on mackerel too.
No mackerel, nothing, no sardine, bully beef, not all the man up to do.
So they come here last night over there?
Yes. You know what I do, ma? I just switch over the paper. And put the paper with the 500. My name for the 500.
Okay, the one get the 500 and she get the flour.
Yes. But the way how mama smart, mama call Popeye to ras. Me not even call him daddy again. Ain't call Popeye. And Popeye said she over. Popeye said again. Flour. Flour them a left give me Flour them a give me for
Taylor!
Flour.
Mind your boss me head with the flour.
Come on, the girl on top. Do things that night time with the owner father. They don't call me thief. Me, Taylor.
They don't teach.
She a call thief. Hello,
they don't teach you thief. You say you're switchy. So we end up trying to do.
Mama, me switch the paper. I never me switch the paper neither. And the fan breeze blow you over.
Fan breeze very
healthy.
So we plan to do the flour.
Mama, I feel like I want to go backside her face with it. I train on know. I train on know how I want backside her headpiece with it. See almost me a lick it with her. Me a licking her head with the watch. Me a bust up her face because I can't take them people there.
But I think you fry for fry, but me not really want nothing for you right now.
And then I can't think about it too. Me ain't know you. You don't have man.
No man not live in there.
Want to the dirty folk man ready have what there. You just the man have cook shop now, girl. You know say you're the one big world in life. Me want for you the one my father tap give me money. Cause since me and you turn friend, the man elevate in a life. Huh?
You're not sister Shania weapon the farm against you.
No.
You're not sister Franny come here top get food. Look what your maga done.
Mr. Think about it now.
You're not see your maga done.
I when me and you turn friend, Mr. Maga done.
I seen Shanban.
You spend Shanban?
Alright, yeah, but go on.
Me and you never friend.
So go on and
me and you are never friend.
Go on and no come back.
Me not move fire. So me and you are friend girl. But me I tell you say it's a well done. Just like when you well done the man.
You married now well done?
No.
You married now well done?
No, you know what me done. You know what me done. Hey, hold on. Wait there. Come. Yeah.
Let's say one house you want.
Good. But there, you know say me a beg your money.
Just like that again.
Me mean if you bomb rush, but me a beg your money.
Are you look at that place I beg your money?
No, I told me no, yeah. Me no say we give me money, I have money for my money.
You know me have money. You know me get paid today.
Me no know that. I let my foot shine this morning and come out and get the right spot.
When me born a growing up, when me born a growing up, when me say I have food, then I lay food for never money.
Well, when me have money, me get food. I said things. I say belly look big like you eat. Yeah, come on.
Me move on me.
Oh, I'm not busy about your money. I'm busy about your money in your pocket. Come. Money. Money. Come on. Come on, man. You take too long.
Stop bum rush pocket, so
I'm not bum rush you. Yeah, think I could stop.
One bill, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Alright, me will give you a call, yeah?
Yeah, call me. What? Hello. I'm from what do you know him? You know me know him from where? Is if I what do you know him, you stop give me money every day.
How much money?
I be 15,000 I make it a day. I may see him 2 times for the day, you check up that, you do the maths. Anyways, mama, you see first time I meet him buy me burger, and I say me hungry now. He said, go buy mackerel and rice, but guess what I do? Me buy burger. Hey!
I guess it's another burger.
You must be mad.
So you don't eat a burger? Me alone and any day, me a coming up. And me and my sister walk and me see that man there come. Me push my sister in one bush. You get money a while ago? Yes, sir. Where the man gone now? Hello. Me don't know him gone. Me don't know me go like you know him. Me don't know him. Oh. Yeah, then my phone a ring. My phone a ring. Hello. Yeah, me a come right now. Stand up and lay out, me a come. Me a collect something and lay out and come back. Alright. Don't let me come. No, stay girl, don't leave. Alright, hurry up, don't take too long. Oh. Yeah. I can't believe they get a little dirty picking around there for $200 a while ago.
I want to get man.
You don't know them, you don't know so them they have butter ears. All their father over there not top map them out.
You know I say after they go feed me their name man, you have to your money give them your money.
So I can give them the money.
No, give them come here because
So they feel like you want to give me the money. Me single and free enough. I just mean, you know, yes, so nobody them me live alone. Sometimes I not be a brother come check me now and then.
So say brother?
Yeah, my brother. Because I not with nobody in our bed. And he molly.
Well, yeah, okay. Put something man, come like when I start on.
Say no man, give me one money. Okay! And then I gotta spend the money pan. Hey!
Yo.
Hey, Jan, I'm at my buck here. So.
Oi, uma here.
Two me head not even there, so I didn't realize you're there over here. So.
Come here, man. Yeah, move so fast. I'm going with you.
You don't know what I say. After me, there my yard, I cook, me wash, cook and clean. For this dirty food, boy.
Yeah.
And when they me ask him, when they never had no money for me, I ask him to buy one pad for me. That idea when me see it down there, so.
Yeah.
Ask him, he might come tell me, say me fi use tissue, you know. Me fi use tissue.
Oh, you don't have a good man then.
Anyways, me not pre that. Me not in go out and go get the money. I carry money come give me go buy the pad. And I go back to my yard. Now me come on the road to get something and shop. Right? Only if you see this big ugly black king boy up in that girl face. What me have to really tap and look and see if I really me man turn up with one girl.
So what you do?
Me say, me go down them mad and me draw and stuff, but the two of them run. Me draw two big stone, but as we go fling it, they run.
I tell you, I'm here for your link.
You
understand? God, you love me. I know you love me each day. You just give me some sign. Say, my life is gonna be good this year. I'm here for that, mama. I'm here for your link. You see? Gotta take him out of your life. Gotta remove him. You know, see? A big door is open right here. You know, see? I just you to pull the door. I'm gonna let you in.
Me see the door, yes. But where the key, it can't pull without a key.
Mama, you don't need no key.
I lie.
All you need to say is open sesame.
Open sesame.
I'm gonna let you
that.
in like this. I'm let you in. You understand?
Oh, yeah, me understand.
So I just you know if you make up your mind. Because somehow you know.
Me have to look for him that I come back out of here. No, because I don't know him what about you know.
So you still love him after what you see what I want? You still love him?
Well, me not go tell no lie, yeah, but no, right now I kill more and kill him. Love is a very strong word, you know. And love would kill you and it will break you.
Mama, you have to make up your mind. Come here upon the plaything. You understand? Make up your mind. Can you look for me? Black chocolate. You when them sing a song, continent again, take it by me. I mean them a sing word. But you me just calm. I mean I love you bag of crow. You see me alone there so easy. You see me? I'm me alone pa mama. Me alone. And God, everywhere me go, me talk to God and him talk back to me some of the time.
Who is God? What God there?
My God. You don't know who name God?
No.
He is a sinner. You is a sinner.
Everybody is a sinner.
Nobody not perfect, but you, if you say you don't know God, he is a sinner. Mama, you don't know God? God up above, and him create all the way.
You ever see me yet?
Mama,
Me say, have you ever seen me yet?
you can feel the spirit.
A
You
church
don't
me
have
there.
to see God to know God.
A church me there.
Alright, let's this to you next time. The next time we're gonna talk about God. You understand? What we want to talk about now is me and you. You make up your mind?
Yeah, me make up my mind.
Yeah, make we talk.
Mm-hmm.
A few minutes.
What about me?
Me change it for you. Gonna carry it down to the church and change it, put in the offering pan. This is like you never give God anything. This is gonna be the first. This is gonna be the first.
So let me ask you a question.
Calm down.
When you take my money, what me use buy me mackerel and me rice?
God will provide.
Me never see God yet. When me gonna use buy me mackerel and me? When me gonna use buy me mackerel and me rice, pinyam?
Hear me say no? God up above never fail anyone and this
Mister, when me I gonna use buy me mackerel and me rice, and that me a talk about when I take money from out of my hand.
Why me tell you? God nah go fail you. You understand? And if you talk to me, I won't fail you. As long as you don't fail me. Right? So now me take the money if you go give the church offering. God gonna provide for you. Right? You're gonna get it in lump sum. Remember me tell you, yeah? Next time we see each other, I'm gonna call you. Anytime I reach home, you text me before I call you, alright? And don't talk back to that boy because I feel it when you said look while what going on the road. Suppose you put yourself in a problem. Eh?
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Put myself in a problem for the one of my love. Anyways, we can
I
go.
don't love you, you know. He do not love you. He do not love you, me I tell you. I feel a sneeze a coming and say a true word. I'm hold it in. He no love you. But any choice you make, a few choice. But just know me there. Text when you reach home, yeah? Can I get a hug? Alright. Text when you reach home, yeah? It smell nice though.
Then anyone for the smell stink?
Go pay me bill, them owe them on the bar right now. Oh, big God.
There.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
You like how me a text and you not reply to my message? Yeah?
No, somebody on my phone.
Like you don't want me.
What you mean by? Oh, you know me no want you.
No, to me I text you and say hi, good morning.
Sometimes I know say when I send message, sometimes I read them in my mind, but me no reply in the chat. Me just read them in my mind.
Read it in your mind?
Yeah.
I reply in your mind?
Mine, yeah.
You're smart.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very smart. So where are you now?
You know me say more go.
Down the road?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You look on?
No, oh my God, this is the last time we see it. That thing else that see from my mind.
Oh, so where you want go?
Up the road, them I go collect some money. And go back to my.
You have money for you?
You want the money?
Yeah, give me something.
You know, no money.
Over Papa.
You can't lay here. So just take it with that.
Alright. He's a good friend though.
You want friends?
Oh no. I sleep a month sleep. I don't say. He's a good boyfriend.
Boyfriend
He's a
to
good boyfriend. Repeat it again for me, girl. Smile for the camera, your boyfriend. Smile. Yeah.
God, you see when Jesus Christ.
Mama,
Why the devil have to come? Why the devil have to come?
No. Sit somebody good. Turn on on so. Come on, you're a little ranking girl.
Show her your money, cause
She too
me the
enough,
money.
she too enough.
Show me the money, girl. Me never must say, so you're rich and you're a rich man. Show me money, no girl.
Me not share no money.
what happened?
Make you show me the money.
What happened?
No, I take a picture with money and make she get in her phone, put it on her status.
Me no want to put them on a status, my good.
Make you show me the money.
She money for what?
Mama, you don't back half of me, sir.
Me not want to do her.
Yeah, dog. Awa.
Yeah, mama.
Yeah.
Money, awa.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right.
What you do with the picture now?
Mama, me link, eh?
Alright.
Me link.
You wait. She say, me not laugh it down now. Every day that God send that is spoil you.
That it's supposed to spoil because I'm the small
WhatsApp
one.
me, I go pan right now, mama. You too out of order and
Go do
bright. Wait, mama, wait. Hold on, me show you what me dey go do.
Alright.
Daddy, you look spoil that our name Sean. Me see him done pan the road, he rob one man. He rob one man,
Which
daddy.
man you rob?
Go take him money from him, daddy, rob him
Which
man.
one me rob?
The man. Shanice, brother, say Shanice.
You see you? You.
Give me the money. You say me bigger than you, no, girl. Me bigger than you. Me bigger than you. Me bigger than you.
Business video.
Me bigger than you. Burn iron. Burn iron. Burn iron. It's about and bright. Ranking girl. Me bigger than you.
Right. Boy, lick. Lick who? Not you me smile if you can't come bully me. Yeah. Oh. Right.
Look with the money this but young one.
Are you understand the chaos?
Girl,
Never can talk good.
What the advice?
We can jump on cool, man.
Show see a cool.
Yes, I cool. Me there, me yard for the veranda and hear your mouth.
See if like you're going to do up sun hot.
No, you have to turn up brighter so.
Alright. Let's see.
Me there, where you get money from?
You know what I know say? Yeah, walk on me girl. I ain't little thinking better that. Talk with me little 15-year-old sister. I give money.
Oh, that's not so.
Come sick.
What's sick here?
Cool. It's heavy for me to mock.
Oh.
But no worries, you get rid of it. I saw fever ras when I go big over a woman here and me done. But anyways, look here. Money. You want to dollar, mama. Your brother give me little.
How much money that?
Girl. You don't know how much money. Let me change it, make you know.
So you know no money if you buy me nothing, but you have money for give 15-year-old.
Listen to me. You see your brother might stingy with you with the money, but when he come on to woman, he not stingy. He was all my sister love with son tight up tight. He little maga pump and shape and that's so. Your brother so make it go up so. You stand there and watch. Your brother not ram. And you know the girl selling him body to daddy already. He gonna sell him body to your brother now. Can you imagine that?
Yeah, I'm not really too business.
You don't care?
No, for what?
Well,
What did they for me care about?
girl, your brother not spend the money for him, I spend it for my little sister. I may just take everything.
As I say, I'm not really business, cause you never can buy me a bag juice. Much less, so anybody when want to give money, and give them money. I am police I can lock up, I know me and him.
I meant to attack you about something now.
What that now?
This morning, I come over your yard. You say you get a phone call, me over there from about 8 o'clock, now at 10 o'clock, and I left 10 o'clock and got me yard.
Oh.
Now me I come back and say, why you change your clothes? Now you go do? You go book a man?
Baby, yeah.
You beard?
Them in must be here.
And the first never see a beard early in the daytime.
Because me did want to go downtown, go get some pill. You know, hear my son. Me did want to go down to the clinic, but me can't bother go again.
Oh, but I make you know this plain and shit. This is your brother. Any day, name day. Me but where brother name? Toga?
No.
My name? Where brother name?
Me don't know any name.
Any day, your brother name Toga.
Me not tell any name, me no name so.
Any day me buck your tall brother, black brother. Maga for nothing, brother. Me I tell him, say, don't come near me like a 15-year-old sister, you know. Let's go fist him 9 months. I make a meal and I eat that. One brother. At that time, it was one brother, you know.
Say not give me no money.
My girl. Can't give a little thing.
Alright. Thanks.
Yeah, man.
Later, me a go on.
Hi, Dad, you should have.
Hey,
Father God.
you don't expect me to take a 1 hour lunch break, come here, I'm check. We the pan with the thief money.
Oh, you know me a thief money.
Kayla,
Did you know me a thief money?
listen me, Kayla send the picture with you I received the money. Why you go up on the road with thief money?
We don't go thief no money. Kayla just chat too much and full of bad mind.
I put me to disgrace. I put me in a disgrace. Eh? Where's stepsister?
We don't know, you know.
You don't know?
Come on, mash her about her road, you know. A while ago, you know. She should run. Because it's a boat she gonna get.
You don't see me as a punish it tomorrow. God knows. You see, a morning time, every early morning I get up. Who changed the sheet for the bed, by the way?
Mr. Kayla.
So now wash them. I'll not change sheets. Or where you come from?
Daddy. What?
Where you come from?
Me a come from Shanice. You beat her?
For what?
She a borrow a thief man money. Me not sell the devices on the picture.
Me just see coming out with the money. Where the money?
She have the money. She a hide the money.
Show me the money.
Show him the money. You hiding the money.
Who hide the money? See me hide the money. Then you take your money, girl.
How me take money? I'm here take picture.
You see you. You is a wicked little girl. You.
Who wicked?
Hello.
Me wicked?
Hello, me in here. Me in here. Stand up like car and hold the ears and 1 foot.
Yeah.
And me not hold nothing, Daddy. I see the pound road. I never meet the pound no road.
What me say to you to do?
Nothing me.
Hold the ears. Hold the ears. Hold the ears. And 1 foot. And don't never until we come back from work. I work. Take out on and take lunch break early. And then maybe come back here for the rest of the day.
And to what, Liz?
No, but why she play them?
And to what, Liz?
And make me ever come back here. Cause see, you move from this up. If you want peace, you peace. Let me see you peace there. You move. If you want doodle, give my family some doodle like this up. Don't.
You see how she the bar road? I see the bar road, the man you want to come punish me. You know me pa. You know me pa. And every day I give my money. I come but abuse me, you not feed me. You feed me.
Food no enough to look out.
But I don't know, you're not my father.
Food no enough to look out.
Every day I give her money, because you know do things at night time. You see a bar road with me, you see your friend come down quick. What day you me call up and me hungry, you never come.
And that's your chat.
Una do things, me here one.
You see me and me that now you don't sleep at night time.
When me asleep, me don't know one God and don't leave me because you're not my father.
Who got this got stand up?
Me not tell you me put. You're going to tell me mother.
Who got this got stand up? And your mother walk. Tell me this up.
You know my father.
What is it?
You know my father.
What is it?
I know me mother me hold me.
I'm going to make you only 2 foot of your ears, yeah? Oh.
You know my father.
Make sure the plate there wash and we don't want no rice in the pot like the last time.
So I could pink in it, girl there. Watch me and her. Watch me and her. Call me mama.
What do you know, Slivers?
There you go.
You know say something left.
Cause anybody money there, they me there.
Allah, you can't smell the money.
So you can buy one burger.
Burger.
A burger.
Burger you come me out for. Night.
Cause I'm hungry. One burger.
Yeah, no.
You buy burger.
So you go on night now you come for burger. So you say you can't do for burger.
You can bounce it.
Where you just say? Come on, come on to me here. Hey, come.
Yeah, no.
Hey, girl, me have to catch you now. You see like how you make me bring out all my foot? Me have to find where you live tonight.
Man, I say nothing. Hello.
How are you?
Where your daughter there?
How are you?
Where your daughter there?
Sean!
How much daughter you have?
One daughter, one step.
What tall girl just run come over here a while ago? What's she there?
Kayla!
Yes, daddy. Call her around your store.
Come on.
Yes, and she's here, man. Put your backside right there, so.
What she do?
You know what better tell me what palm me see this a girl there.
Oh, me go bet, woman.
Over me, man. Over me. Not over me, man. Over me yard. I asked the man for burger. How about he want buns for it?
What kind of burger you have? Oh.
Daddy. Yeah.
You must be not.
Let me run out time and slip out on my foot.
You want bunks? For burger, so I buy you the burger.
And they didn't give me no money. Yeah, them sort of flower.
She how old?
Me not take your man. Mama just see money me I take.
A lie. Oh, say okay. Beat that. Come me not touch her, you know. I don't want to touch her. Me not want to get.
Nothing no.
Hey, my
feet here.
Embarrass me. You can't do like Shannon in a yard.
Yeah, give Sean money. I mean, I get no money, daddy.
When we left money, yeah, Sean supposed to buy breakfast with it for you.
No, Sean can buy for himself.
Me only left in a Sean name because you.
Anyways, me I can't go home. Me just can't tell her what she do. Cause my foot a hot me. Same as she.
Me go put the hot jam. Me never run me down.
Me got on me yard.
Embarrassed.
Me not embarrassed, daddy.
You can't do like a Sean and turn in a yard.
Me turn in a yard. How me I go eat?
Me have a thing of mackerel over there, sir.
Man, I'm going to give me a burger.
A burger you want?
Daddy.
Do it again. Left out here again, no? Left out here again. The reason why me left the money in a Sean name is because you have no cash and only come on to money. The last time I left the money when she was a picnic. Look at toddler, you never people like money.
What you gonna do with money? Bye, sweetie. I'll show you how to do things with her.
Shut that nonsense. Come on. Out of the room. Come back out of here. Let's come back out of here.
That's the thing, but you know what going on? I don't busy about school. And you and that you two uniform. And me I get one. So tell her you're jealous bad, you know. It's not called jealousy. It's not called jealousy. Then what it called? It's called fairness. You get two, you're supposed to get two. Daddy give you two and give me one. And I even want a half or one cannot tap no the penny. So if me get two, you want two? Yeah. Say alright, say if daddy give me two, you want two too? Yes. But you know, oh, you come. So, me ain't not twin, you know? Me is not twin. Me is not twin for you, because you're me, you know. Are you too bad mind? Who bad mind? You. You bad mind? Yes. You bad mind. You get long hair. You hear me? Bad mind. You have long hair. Good timing. Girl, where do the picture? You see your friend Brad? The platinum fit me. That having your head won't fit me. Right. I'm enough of the same thing. Hey, yeah, that's it. Who the buck you know? Oh, this one now. Hey, help me, sister. Ethan. Help me. Sister, beat it, girl. Help me. Jesus. Catch you. Beat it, get up and beat it, girl. Help me, Jesus Christ. I'm girl, me not help you no. When you be over here, you need a more for me. You don't have enough strength for no girl no. Look at get up back up strength like with that strength for the girl. Watch out. I idiot this time, watch out. Shut and beat no. Mistake. What up strength? Watch out.
Yeah, read. What's that?
Hey, girl. Now the fuck you wanna wear, yeah? This not done.
Yeah.
Alright. You got so. Go.
You think I she? You think I she? Me not really know if the people
Go so.
one.
What me say?
You think I
Let
she?
me get you for you.
I bet you.
Hey,
I bet you.
hey, girl. Go so. Right. Yes, dear.
Take some flour,
You know, let me look for you. We are the writer, so.
What sounds sir?
Because I'm sick.
So you don't know you're sick everywhere, mass and you don't check up. Jesus Christ. The true me and your family
Listen
will
to me,
be
listen
sick.
to me. Me then I long talking because I'm very sick.
What happened?
Me
You
hear
don't have
say.
no money, you know.
You ever beg your money yet?
Oh, can't.
Me hear say that falls with Kayla little sister over there.
Who name Kayla?
The same girl, let me tell you, say her father ride her little sister for $500.
Oh, we have a sister named Shan.
Yes.
Me don't know you know. Me just see her as a young little girl and me know say alright. Me like her but you know me is a man and me like groom them. When they reach the age, me take
Let me
them
tell
up
you
in your
this.
hand.
She's very, very, very young. And me not come down the station, come look for you, come get no food and
No, me
no
not go there.
clothes.
Me is a man, you know me not go there yet. Me say.
You not go there yet. So what you groom her for?
So when she reach the age, me take what me pay for.
Who can hear must learn.
So you really think say she young so and me go there? What you
Mama. Oh. Where you come from?
How are you doing?
You know the man? The black man? Which black man? Job one man. Where that take money from? What do you? Hey, woman book me one night. Tell me go over there. Send me a go for burger, you know. When me run down me yard.
So you supposed in there?
Hello. The woman beat me. She woman book me brother and beat me. Beat me. Drop me down. I see your back look so.
One question me want ask you though. Oh, as she tell us say me and look her sister?
Yes.
Oh, if you walk and I call up my name, say me and look your sister.
Yes. That's my sister.
You know see me and look your sister, you see me give your sister money.
And I
You
said,
know
oh,
see
she
me
not
as-
text you. A little 13 here.
No, she asked me to help her with her homework. And me get
She
the
don't
answer.
need no help. Me brilliant enough for help, but she need no help.
Spell work back way. Me see if you're bright.
Listen to me, you're bright, you know your own head. Now listen to him, because I don't have nothing to do. He need to have a job.
You're slow.
Go down your brush
You
shop
see that's
before
why
they
we have
come
to
get
help your
brown
sister
too.
with the...
But wait, remember say you attack the people and money no.
Me never get no money, do. Me never get no money.
Tell them say yo.
Me never get no money. Right now, me sick goodly. Me not come a road.
Mama, I tell me say me tell the woman say you dey take him man.
Go through because...
You know you're no good friend.
Watch out. And
Me
them the
come go
friend they
in back.
like keep.
Me come go in back.
Them the friend they like keep a mix
don't
up.
talk to you already.
And I call up people. You go on. Go on.
Try believe, you know, any day the police then come and ask you, me I show them which way you live. Me I carry them come right up here like a full cube. Damn in pervert.
You would be a wicked if you do that. Road steer for the road. What?
No. Like how with our relationship, you tell her, you see them people when you say they don't keep nothing, you know. So anything where we have, you have to keep it on the door low.
No, my salary, I'm not to roll up my thing, you know.
Oh, just make sure, because I can't take it drama. The drama thing I don't really mind. So, yeah?
Me depend that neither.
So anything you do, secret. Yeah? If me hear about me, I know are you. Because nobody else will know. So if me hear about me, know say you go, they go talk.
Mad man. My friend.
Make sure, because I can't bother with you. You're good though.
I'm going to use myself same way I want to know the first idea, you know? Just help in idea.
They are boring. Maybe go over, they are good, I don't want to sleep.
No. Every man you see I want.
Jesus
know.
Christ.
No, sir. All you own a father over there ride.
How this? Your father.
Where you get that from?
Your own sister tell me.
I don't know all this.
Do you know something about the trouble about that? You know something about the trouble about that?
You see, you come like crosses, you know? You come like cross. And you come here so with it. Come talk about my father. After me talk to somebody, I embarrass you. I want embarrass me.
And you want a sister walk and tell people.
So if you come to me, I talk to a man, you come here so with it.
Me I wonder if I choose, so me come investigate.
I choose you want the man. Me no want you no fun.
Say not help me, girl.
Hey, but what? Jesus Christ, can I help me?
Me don't like your style. Me call me that.
See what I know, what I know, crosses. When you ever want to show people life, you know what you know want to see me do good. When you come back and talk about my father. My father?
What kind of argument that?
That me and me where they get that from. I'm here pull out.
You live with the father over there?
I stuck, you know what, later, yeah? Later.
Rough. Father over there done with girl. I want the nasty over there, man.
Oh Lord, the place so cool.
You girl, you can come here, please.
Where you call me for now? I'm not name no you girl, I have a name, what you want?
Because we're not talking about I'm not going to argue. Because we like when people run with false news because I like it. It's the reason why my sister talk about me and sleep with my father. And because my father ever give me money. So the thing now, she bad mind me. Because remember, you know, she am a stepsister. And my father and stepfather. So, and she real father. So now, she not really know money like that. She don't know 5 bills different from 1,000. So, you see, before that girl like 1,000 for go shop, buy a juice. She don't know how much she should come back with. So, my father would have mostly give me the money. And if I want to buy her something, I buy her.
So all you know money, but she no money. I kind of believe what you're saying, but I kind of not going to run with it because my brother tell her if I spell work back here. And it's like she want to try to spell it which work can spell back here. So me I wonder.
Yes, I that caused everything. So yeah.
Oh,
because I know she walk on with that tell people say me and my
yeah,
father
she say your father there on the top ride.
I know, man. I know that she go walk and tell people. But that now nothing to do. Me know. Me know me and my father now because why would I? That would be nastiness. No.
Yeah, that's all I'm nasty.
I just have me one card.
Oh. Alright then later.
Mm-hmm.